Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Another day in the market, man. Market going green. Only thing that are down, as you see on the screen, 52-week low is good. That's Gladstone Commercial. We got Bull, got Weeble down 7%. SLVO, Silver, made a new 52-week high. Gold made a new 52-week high. Citigroup got earnings. LFT, which is a BDC. RC Ready Capital is a BDC. CHCT is a REIT. TCPC is another. BDC Good is a REIT. All these are at the 52-week lows. Why? Because the REITs and the BDCs benefit from interest rate cuts. So once these really start to get cut, you're going to see these start to go up. But y'all about to buy that. It is cash flow. I'm going to buy that and I'm going to set up for a future swing trade for later, but get the dividends while I'm holding it till the stock squeeze and get to the price point where I want to exit. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, remember, you are the CEO of your portfolio. I'm just showing you what I am doing. I take risks. You don't have to take all the risks that I take. All right. Urgent buys, urgent sales. I'm going to go to urgent sales first. All right. Going to ticker ORC. It's Orchid Island paying 12 cents a share a month. For y'all to actually watch my trades, watch the whole thing, you will know. Last week, in the past 2 weeks, I was accumulating and buying this thing at 708 down to 690. I accumulated 545 shares, waiting on this thing to load up. Y'all bear with me. Got a dividend right here coming. Paying out 200. I got a payment coming for $203.02 for 1,691. Call it 1,692 shares. But what I want to show y'all right now, I got 1,149 shares with average cost of $7.22 right now. So what I did was, like I say, from 708 to 690, I was buying accumulating shares. I accumulated 514 shares, 545 shares. You can see right here. My sell limit order went through. I sold at 723, 545 shares for a price of $3,940.35. Like I said, I brought it from 708 down to 690. I did that to make a couple dollars. I ain't made no dollar, made a couple cent. See, 33. I made from 15 to 33 cents a share. Depends on how many I brought at which price, from 708 to 690. But one thing I want to do is lower my average cost. Now I'm at 722 with 1,148 shares. So I still got over my 1,000 shares. Still get over 120 a month. But I did set some buy limits at 704. ARR, just wanted to show y'all this one. Took profits on this yesterday at 1573. Sold a couple shares. I got average cost 1532 at 1586. Now this thing's still climbing. They lowered the price target to $16 a share, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let's go with Bull. I'm only buying fractional shares of this. I'm not loading up on anything. Right now I got 2.85 shares at 1329. Let's check out Hood. Hood gotta be up today. They ain't getting no notification on Hood. Got $148.12. Man, leave me alone. So I just go buy some anyway. Hood is a hot stock. On the days it pulled back, I also bought it when it got $2. I didn't get none this week. All right, let's go and get down with trading. Going in the order of my list, man. Just stay tuned. Buy the stocks you like. Got Ready Capital. I got 5 shares at $3.50 today. About to go in and get me another. $3.50. gonna start to cash up a little more. Buy and cash up at the same time. Got 2 shares at $3.50. That's a nice quarterly dividend play there. Got PETS, PETS. This one does not pay a dividend. I did have a buy order go through. Going in right now at $2.53. Lowering my average calls way below the $3 range. One I advise y'all to stay out of, which is PETS. Got Fiat. Went in, got brought 2 shares at 242 or 243. I'm going at 243. Excuse me. I had another share on. All right, I'm back. All right, let's go in and get a share of Fiat. Got UPS also down. Take advantage of this dip before it goes back up above the $100 mark. Got DOW down. Just give me all the plays that I'm buying. It's in buy range in my portfolio. Y'all got any questions on stocks y'all might want to buy, want me to review them or give my opinion, just send me a message in the comments. Got Dow 2275. I'm at 2933. Definitely a nice play here to have. Buying dollars. $10 worth for this shoot back up. Why am I buying this? It's a quarterly dividend play. 10.89% yield. Market cap is good, $16 billion. 52-week low, 2040 with a high 54.17. Got about a 33% upside if it goes back to where it was trading at. Got DEA. $21.90. Dividend yield 10.16%. Market cap almost $1 billion, coming down 993 million. 52-week high 36.31. Upside of $15 to the low of 19.33. That USOI. Definitely take advantage of this below the $52 mark. You want to lower your average cost, you gotta buy. Gotta spend the money to lower it. MSTY. I done went and brought $8 of this already today. I brought it at $13.77 and $13.72. Said $13.79. All right. This is my strategy that I do and use. All my fractional shares of Misty I keep. All my full shares I buy, that's what I swing, trade, and sell with. And sell them. If I can make fixes, I know after the ex-dividend date, it's going to drop. So I don't hold on to all those shares that I sell. All right, OXLC, 40 cents a share a month. They had a dividend reverse stock split last month. I buy 5 shares of this every week. At the weekly low, I chart it out. I let it fall, do whatever it's going to do, and I just set those buy limit orders. Later on, might be a month later, 2 weeks later, if it come down that low, it'll automatically trigger it. So I want to buy it at the low. I'm not buying it every day. That's just my strategy. OXSQ, 3.5 cents a share a month. I'm going in at 168. Yeah, this on is rising. But I'm still buying it, help it push on up. This is still at $2 and under. I got 2,244 shares. Average cost of $2.38. TWO, 2 harbors are like this at 10 and under. At 986. I gotta say my fractional shares I don't sell. But I'm also going in at 960. I'm going at 967. It's also a nice trade. This usually go up to about the 10-20ish range, 9.67. 5 shares of that price. Why am I buying this? This is a dividend REIT. It's buying real estate. Dividend yield 18.03%. Market cap $1 billion. 52-week high $14.28 with a low of $9.50. Like I said, once they start doing them interest rate cuts, that's when it happened. Got CHMI, Cherry Hill, dividend yield 22.82. Market cap ain't worth nothing. This is a swing trade. And this is not one I hold on to for the long one. It is at a bargain right about now. It's gonna go back past the $3 range. Got COF, Capital One, financial sector. This is a growth stock. 52-week high, $232.45. You're not gonna get these credit card companies cheap. They brought out Discover. That's why I'm buying them. And that's the card I use when I'm overseas. I got zero international transaction fees. Lionel Basel, another one need to come down then. Dividend play, got over 10% yield, pay out quarterly. Got major upside to it also. DEO, Diageo, when it got some of that today, got down to 94.89 today. Horizon Technology. Like I say, go and get my fractional share worth. I buy 5 shares a week at the weekly low. I already got my 1,000 shares. I'm at 1,263 shares. Dividend payout for the 15th. Pay 11 cents a share a month. Got a dividend payout for $136.64. That's also a BDC. Got Costco, COST. Got down to $910.96 when they got a fractional shares of that. LFT down to $1.83 today. Why am I buying it? 14.13% yield. 52-week high 284. Got upside of $1. Also gonna be another swing trade, 1.83. Definitely buying while it's under the $2 mark. I might let everything rip at $2.50. Keep the rest for the dividend. Another play I like, just like my bank account, my money market for my cash app, Blackstone SPDR Blackstone Senior Loan ETF. Dividend yield 7 it's actually higher than that. Things like 7.92. 52-week low 39.08 with a high 49.02. A trade between those ranges. Sit back and get your. Usually pay between 25 to 28 cents a share a month for your dividend. SCHD trading in a sideways pattern. This is a buy and hold play. I don't think SCHD is the ETF it was, because it got Pepsi in it. That's not the company that it was. That's also trading in a sideways pattern. PFLT pennant float. 10.2 cents a share a month. Definitely taking advantage of this while I was at the 9 and under mark. Not loading up, just lowering my average cost. DISO. Diesel options on Disney. While Disney is up, it's going to be up. While Disney is down, it's going to be down. But I'm lowering my average cost of these prices before it go back past the $13 mark. I'm at $14.85. BF.B, Brown-Forman, another liquor company. Got down to $27.50 today. 52-week highs $49.89. Upside of $22. 3.25% dividend yield. WEN Wendy's. Down to 903 today. Not loading up on Wendy's. Say it's truly undervalued, below my average cost. Might go and buy a couple shares and sell them at like 935 just to lower my average cost real quick. WU Western Union. I'm waiting on this to get below the $8 mark. So not gonna bother it. It's gonna cash up and keep it for the dividend for now. I think I'm gonna load up on it, get about 50 shares and sell it. The lower my average cost. Flowers Food. Another one, 7.64% dividend yield, 52-week high, 53.44. Probably never gonna see that again. But it's a dividend play. One I'm also trading myself out of. Got TCPC, BlackRock. Got down to 577 today. I'm gonna get $5 worth for that. IIPR, Marijuana REIT. It's coming on down. I'm not touching it till it's 52 and under. Dividend yield 13.85%. 52 week. I should have got out of it then. $136.80. I had so many stocks in there I wasn't paying no attention, but I just keep it just for the dividend. But I should have at least took profits. KHC, Kraft Foods, another one I'm going to get out of, but it's a buy and hold stock, consistent, stable dividend, 6.29%, yield $36.31, 52-week high. Got GMRE, Gaming and Leisure, another REIT, $30.51 is that. I'm at $39.76. Another one, Pine, another REIT, $13.56. I'm at $15.60. Dollar cost average into that one. And last on my list, CHCT, Community Healthcare REIT, $14.30. Oh, we at $14. You coming on down. I'm at $18.33. 52-week low, $13.92 with a high of $20.87, 13.28% dividend yield. All right, let's go check out traps. Like I say, only thing that's down is the BDCs and REITs, man. So if you're looking for that cash flow, but no, the double-digit yielders, you're gonna take risks. They can't have a dividend. They always up for a dividend cut if the company not doing well or if the economy not doing well. So always remember that. And if you want just some safe stocks with some dividend yields around 6%, the 8 to 9, something a little safer, you need to watch some of my shorts, man. When I put those on there, they're less than 3 minutes long. Give you other options, ways to go, like Exxon Oils and ticker EPD. All right, we starting to go up. I was gonna hold on to this play here just to see what happened with it. We up 77%, starting to push on up. That's ticker OPI. Let's see what happened here. Get some Comcast while I'm here. It's another one I'm going to dump. We got to lower my average cost though with this one also. MFIC. Got Pets. Macerich Group, I'm going to get out of that. Macerich Group is a REIT. Also one I'm gonna make my exit out of. Brandywine, need to come down in this one. Need to buy some shares of this too. BDN. Gonna lower my average cost on this one. Try to get it below the $4 range. Need to get some AFCG also. I know this one down. It's up for the day, but where we at? 370. It's another REIT. Last time this came to this level, went back up. I sold it around. I sold some at 515 and 551. Plan to do the same old thing. GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC, definitely another one to love at these prices. Like I say, this another BDC. Is why I trading so cheap. FSK. It's a monthly dividend paying ETF here. Don't load up on it, $2 to $3 a day. Just keep it lower your average cost. FSSK, another one I did. I put a buy order in just to show y'all how I'm moving. I want 2,000 shares of this. This will give me, I think, $250 a week. I need 2,777 shares. So I'm gonna get 2,800 shares. Buy limit order in at $5.44 for 2,084 shares. That'll give me 2,800 shares. Give me $250 a week. I want $1,000 a month of ULTY coming in. I got 716 shares plus them 2,084. Yeah, that's gonna put me at 2080, 2090, but a little over will not hurt nothing. But I want at least $250 a week, $1,000 a month coming in from ULTY. No risk it, no biscuit. And I'm gonna just chill and reinvest it in other plays. Combat. I'm at 888. At 756. I can go buy some of this at 3 and under. This dry bulk shipping marine company. Got GMRE, Weeble. SoFi added on yesterday. I just brought $1 worth. 27.15, say 28.02. When it pulls back, I'm gonna buy. That's it. Enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money.